Take a look out toward the skyline there, looking pretty good. Just a few clouds currently, but clouds are going to be increasing throughout the day today, giving way to some rainfall late tonight and during the day on tomorrow. So here's a look at your hour-by-hour forecast for today. All in all, nice day. A little chilly, but still pretty nice. Mix of sun and clouds, afternoon highs in the lower 60s, coming in about 10 degrees below average. And then you see the clouds overtaking the sunshine later on this evening. Ample clouds into the forecast well until midnight. And then we turn our attention to rainfall coming in, buckets, rounds of rainfall, heavy at times. So what's ahead today? Increasing clouds in the forecast, strong winter storm coming in for Tuesday. Heavy Sierra snowfall, especially above 4,000 feet in elevation. Gusty winds in the forecast, widespread rainfall, more flooding concerns. So, of course, tomorrow is a first alert action day. And that is a day that we set aside to say there's something different about this day weather-wise. And tomorrow's day, an onslaught of impactful weather expected. Heavy Sierra snow, heavy rainfall, renewed flooding, and strong wind gusts are all expected. So take a look at some of the projected storm totals. 1 to 2 inches coming in for the northern end of the Sacramento Valley, around an inch or a little less for Modesto, 2 to 4 inches coming in for parts of the hills. Looking at it on its face, on its surface, it doesn't look like a lot, right? But we've had 12 atmospheric rivers. The ground is well saturated. You're adding a little bit more. The ground can only hold so much, so flooding concerns again will be renewed. Now, how much snowfall? Well, we picked up about 700 inches of snowfall for the season, and let's tack on a little more, 2 to 4 feet of additional snowfall expected again above 4,000 feet in elevation. So we got a winter storm warning in effect, and what can you expect? Well, I kind of gave it away. Heavy snowfall, areas above 4,000 feet in elevation. Snow levels will get as low as 2,500 feet, but most of it, the brunt of it, again above 4,000 feet. Wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, so there are going to be times during the day where you got whiteout conditions. So please know the forecast before you hit the roadways. Now let's talk a little bit more about the hills as well as the valley. So for parts of the foothills, into the valley floor, north side of the North Bay, those coastal mountain ranges, East Bay hills, this is where winds are going to be an issue. 8 o'clock tonight until 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. Winds are going to start to pick up. Winds coming in out of the south around 20 to 30 miles per hour, gusting up to 45. So now you got trees that have been bobbing and weaving all season long. They've had a whole lot of rainfall. The ground is saturated. Now I'm going to give you another gust. So what does that mean? You could have some power outages, okay? So here's a look at our futurecast, and we're going to time it out for you. Huge swirl here. That's my cold front. This is the low pressure system. They're working together. Wonder Team powers activate in the form of another storm. So this hits the coastline. This is Tuesday, 1 o'clock in the morning. When does it get to us? Around 8 o'clock in the morning. Starting out light in nature, becoming more moderate to steady. Now I get to Tuesday evening. This puppy's still hanging around. I still got rain showers. Now, snow levels around 3,500 feet, but overall, we're going to have a busy day. So the cold front clears the area. Back behind it, that is my low pressure system. And that's going to keep the showers in the forecast throughout the day on Wednesday and could trigger the opportunity for some thunderstorms. So busy next couple of days for us. Looking forward to drying out Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.